What is going on, my S1000RR Moto family? Hopefully all you guys are doing great. I'm hoping that you guys are all doing well in these trying times. Today is Sunday. I needed to hop on the bike because I need to talk about some frustrating news with this bike, Luna. Not Luna particularly, but this model. It's been freaking trying. As you see, I'm not even wearing any gear. I'm in shorts. I have some things I want to talk about. This bike and parts. Let's start with that. The issue that I'm having with this bike is that I cannot find an exhaust anywhere for this bike. It is so frustrating. This morning I had a friend of mine hit me up. They were saying that they had an exhaust for this bike on Facebook Market. Nothing is available for this bike. Not any kind of exhaust that I want. I have a company that's still holding on to my money for a particular exhaust that I am looking for. I ordered this part back in January. Here it is now, March. This past Friday, I was supposed to find out when I'm supposed to get this exhaust. Come to find out, the gentleman that's supposed to be giving me this information is out on vacation. I'm like, that's just great. And I am sitting here, yet I'm tired of this thing sounding so weak. I'm so frustrated up to the point that I even forgot that I redid my entire helmet with the mic placement. Last footage, it was so windy and so crazy that I was like, okay, this footage is almost trash. But here I am. I needed a Sunday ride. I was up early in the morning doing a bunch of stuff around the house because I knew I wanted to get this ride in. Got everything done today, and here I am vlogging about how upset I am. This is so frustrating. Anybody has any kind of direction to any kind of exhaust that I can get for this bike, please comment below. Any information, comment below. Anything that can help me, comment below. You can also find me on my Instagram page under S1000RR Moto, the same name as my YouTube channel. So that should make it fairly easy. I'm just gonna go to the lakefront and just kind of chill out for a little bit because you get into a state of mind where you just want to break. And it's very, very frustrating. I just wanted to get that out the way, kind of vent out a little bit. And also I want to give a shout out to you guys. You guys have been amazing. I am at 720 subscribers. In freaking insane. Like, yeah, I'm not at 1K. I don't care. Honestly, I don't care. But I'm thinking to myself, you put 700 people in one room. That's just mind-blowing. Like, this is how many people follow me on my channel. You put everybody in one room, you'll see what it looks like. Thank you guys again so much. You guys are amazing, incredible. Kudos out to each and every single one of you guys. Thank you so much. You guys definitely need one of these, an applause. Thank you so much. You guys are the freaking best. Yeah, we're gonna go lakefront just to hit up. Hey, what's up, buddy? So we're gonna go hit up the lakefront. We're just gonna go ahead and just kind of chill out because I needed this relaxing time. I needed to vent out a little bit. It's just been a day. Also, I want to give a shout out to Dragoness Moto. I'm gonna put her Instagram page as well as her YouTube page up.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Dragoness Moto, and today I'm out with the still unnamed BMW S1000RR.
She's been so phenomenal. She's out in California. She recently took a trip out to Hawaii and it's absolutely beautiful. I told her, oh my god, this looks like Puerto Rico. This looks a lot like Puerto Rico. She's great. Love her content. She's probably going through the same issues I am. Like, she recently acquired a Shoei X14 and she absolutely loves it. She's got it posted up on her Instagram page. Yeah, her and I, we go back and forth with ideas. That's what I love to do, interact with people, talk about bikes, talk about things, parts, suggestions, people pointing me in the right direction as far as like exhaust goes. And I respond to every single one of you guys. I go in and I reply to every single, I see the notification come through almost instantly through my YT app. You guys have been phenomenal, and you know, go follow her. Also, you know, Madlit S1K is over in New York.
Whoa! Oh my gosh. Dude, this thing is an animal.
If you guys are in the New York area, go look for him. He's an amazing moto vlogger out of New York City. Crazy enough to get some content in the middle of like February and March. Like the weather, I guess, has been so warm out there that he's been able to go out and get some moto vlog, get some content. An amazing moto vlogger. So Yeah, I would follow him. I'll put up his page up there too. Him and I always go back and forth with stuff. I vented out to him also my frustration with trying to get this exhaust and trying to get parts for this bike. It's been, with this bike for some reason, it's been one thing after another after another. Amazon Prime works on Sundays? I did not know that. The issue that I had with just the back seat cowl, the rear cowl, like, are you kidding me? Like, I had such an issue trying to get this cowl going. What are you doing? Are you lost? Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, buddy. Oh my gosh, thank God you're here. I don't know if he does have a backup camera. Those things should have a backup camera. That was scary. That was really scary. My heart is, woo, my heart. Oh, that was scary. Woo, talk about adrenaline. Okay, that put me in a whole different mood. Breathe, breathe. Woo, that was very scary. I thought he was going to plow. If he would have gone any quicker, he would have plowed right into me. All right, so going back to what I was saying, I was talking about the backseat cowl. So I went through that whole frustration of getting the wrong parts. I can't remember what it was. There was like 3 separate occasions I was trying to get parts. I just got, so first one, I got just a plastic cowl, missing all the bottom piece. Then they sent me all the bottom pieces without the plastic piece that goes underneath the cowl to connect to the bike. So that was missing also. Once I got that in order finally, there was the issue with getting the bike unlocked. The machine was broken. They were able to do the first service, but they weren't able to unlock the machine. So I had to go to a different dealership to get this thing unlocked. So I had to set up an appointment on a different day, and then they told me they couldn't unlock it. Now I had to go to Eurocycles of Orlando to get it unlocked. So, which was pretty frustrating because you pay so much money, and it was expensive. I'm not gonna lie. The service on this thing was expensive. If you get a bike like this, you definitely want to make sure that you have enough money in the bank because it's not cheap. I wanted to take it to them for warranty purposes. They can't say that I didn't bring it into them, and if something goes wrong, look at this guy. What is he doing? He's just crossing the road. Okay. There's the other one. You kidding me? This guy. These cranes, they don't care. Look at that. One over here, one over here. What's up, buddy? Hey, your cousin's over here, bro. Right over there. Go get him. All right, later. Yeah, it's been one thing after another with this bike. Don't get me wrong, I love this bike, but it's just frustrating the things that keep happening. And I have no idea why. Things will happen the way it's supposed to happen. I'm trying not to force things. I'll get to it when I get to it, I guess. Trying times. These are trying times for me. Trying times, people. Alright, let's park Luna here and just take a little bit of a walk so you guys can see this little area. It's very quiet. It's kind of cool. I like to just kind of hang out. Look at everybody with their families. It's pretty dope. The bike with the guy. Look how pretty she looks. Dang, she looks amazing. Wow. They're playing football over there. People are with their pets. You got volleyball on that side. Cookout. This is great. man. But this is pretty dope. This is what I'm close by. That's really, really cool. Like, everybody gets to chill, kind of hang out, exercise, walk your dog, walk your husband, walk your wife, with or without a leash. I don't know. However you want to work things out, that's entirely up to you. But whatever makes you happy. So here's my baby Luna. She's looking great. So guys, I need help getting rid of that big monstrosity that's sitting under this bike. Look how massive and ugly this thing is. Yep, so that's the only thing it's got going for it is its SC Project exhaust, and I'm dying to hear it unrestricted. So not sure how much longer this is going to take, but I guess I'm kind of patiently waiting, but my patience is running a little thin because I am not the most patient person. Look how beautiful she looks. Luna is looking fan-flippin-tastic. She's so gorgeous. She's beautiful. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to come out here and vent my frustration a little bit. I'm gonna be heading out back home. Just want to come to the chill spot just for a little bit and just kind of hang out. There's a lot of people here. It's a good place to come and bring your family and just kind of chill out. Quiet, so quiet. Alright, my S1000 Moto family, thank you again for tuning in to my channel. For those of you who are subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate you. For those of you who are new subscribers, welcome to the channel. Thank you guys again for tuning in, and thank you again for being part of the S1000 Moto family. You guys stay safe, and pray for those in Ukraine. Peace.